Bitcoins are booming. The price of one unit of the digital currency jumped during the past few weeks from about $40 to nearly $150. For anyone who's ever suffered the incompetence of a bank or bristled at fees involved in spending money, the promise of Bitcoin is a kind of holy grail of payments. Bloomberg's Olivia Stearns is with me now. So, Olivia, we know it's a digital currency. We know there's some pizza shops in California that accept it, some other businesses as well. What else do we need to know?
Well, you know, Deirdre, Bitcoin is this brand new form of cash, but nowadays it is behaving a bit more like a good old-fashioned bubble. The trouble is Bitcoin was designed as a currency, but today it's trading more like a commodity. So I'm going to try to explain this in English. Let's start with what it actually is. Bitcoin is a digital, virtual, online currency. It was created back in 2009 by a Japanese hacker who goes by the same name. The product itself, well, this is the confusing bit. It's just simply an algorithm, but it can be traded and used like cash to buy goods and services online. Well, how's it different from real currency? For starters, it's not pegged to anything. It's also totally unregulated, totally anonymous, and the big kicker, there's no central bank controlling the money supply. So that's why, Deirdre, some say it's a hedge against the entire global currency system. You know, effectively, the value of any currency is tied to your faith in the institution issuing it. So here, there's nothing to trust, no central bank, no in God we trust. You just have to trust the math. And that's why some say this run-up in Bitcoins is a response to this sort of macro environment of hyperactive monetary policy, and in particular, fear of a bank run that we saw grow around Cyprus. So people are losing faith, Deirdre, in hard currencies and traditional banks, and they're looking for a new store of value, buying up these Bitcoins. Deirdre?
Well, they certainly are. And as you point out, Olivia, it is a lack of confidence in the currencies that we normally use. But as you said, this is based on math. So then there are extra security issues as well in that it can be hacked just as easily as it was created. But I'm just curious, remind us about some of the things. I mean, I referenced the pizza. What else can you buy with Bitcoins?
Yes, well, as you and I have been talking about, you can buy everything from a pizza slice to a dozen roses. You're never actually going to get your hands on a single Bitcoin. The idea is to stash them in your online wallet. There are nearly 1,000 e-commerce sites, though, today that will accept Bitcoins in exchange for a whole array of services. And the number is growing rapidly, even though there is so much volatility around what a Bitcoin is actually worth. The price of one has quadrupled since early March. Will they replace hard currency? Probably not. It's still an extremely niche market. Only 11 million have been, quote unquote, minted or mined. The market cap is still shy of $1 billion, but that is bigger than many expected. So if you're looking for a safe haven, Deirdre, you might want to start considering virtual cash, but many say this is pure speculation and it's likely to pop like a good old-fashioned bubble.